is this, Mom? It's a scented pencil, Molly.
Need to get her jammies on.
Oh, I love scented pencils. I'm just joking. I never even tried them.
Whoa.
Look, Mom. Awesome. Yeah. I love the color. Look, they're mine now. Ooh, I always wanted one of these clips.
Show Molly your nails.
Yeah. Notebook. Awesome.
Yes, a lot
I
of
love
gum.
this. Whoa. Awesome. I got nails.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. What is this?
It's a nice one.
What is
isn't
this?
it? It's a mirror.
Mama. Thank you, Mom.
What?
Mom. Mom.
Yes. Ooh,
Mother.
it's a book.
Look,
Very
Mom.
cute.
That's what I got. Feels like me. Yeah.
Cute hat, Jess.
Yeah,
Yay.
Oh, sorry,
Thank you,
man.
Mom.
Word searching.
You're
Mom.
Yeah, that's for sleeping.
Mom, you got me new stuff. I wanted this.
That's for relaxing.
Yes.
Oh, a
What is this,
fan.
Mom? That's cute.
Wow.
What is this?
Band-aid?
Yes, gum.
Like Barbie type band-aid?
Finally. My own brush.
You got me
What is this, Mom?
Oh, I forgot
That's
to-
cool.
No, more
Ooh, I'm
headphones.
gonna play that.
Mom was looking for yours.
I know.
Oh, this is so cute. Molly, I got a case.
Whoa.
Oh,
Yeah, you need to get your glasses on, honey.
look. Oh, yeah, they're upstairs. Now I'm gonna have to walk up.
You can get them in a minute.
You go like this.
Put
You
all
like
this
that?
in my
What is
room.
this? I like it.
For your breath.
You go like this, Molly.
I got a lot of gum.
This is iMac. Yeah. What is
Better
the
take that in your
iMac?
book,
Take
too.
Mom, take the tag off, Daddy.
Okay.
Relaxing. Y'all play with it.
I
When
need
y'all are
the
doing your
tag
spa
off.
thing.
Let's see if I can take that off.
We always need the tag.
Why don't you see if Mom can take that tag off, honey? Daddy can't do it while he's holding this.
What is it? Hand sanitizer. I knew you'd love it.
What is it? Sparkly. Bubble gum.
Fun stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bubble
I needed one of these too.
I needed bubble gum. Look.
I know, a new toothbrush.
Do you care if I just put it all back in here?
Yeah, yeah.
And this toothbrush.
See, it's a
Oh,
fan.
I got this.
Can
Mommy,
you
I
believe
got
that?
Oh, yes.
Really flush your hair.
What you got there, Jess?
This is
Ooh, fun.
toothpaste.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. I
Hey,
love
you-
it.
How's that
You
taste?
put that in the freezer, and then when you get a boo-boo, you put it on
What is this, Mommy?
tissue.
That smells good. Look, but it's strong.
Malia,
All of this is my room.
Look.
scratch your back with that. See if it works.
Can I see? What is it for? Let me see, Jackson. It goes in the freezer, and when I
You're supposed to hold it. You're supposed to hold it.
and let me get.
When you have an itch, you can't.
Oh,
Let
yeah.
me try it.
Let me see it, Jackson. Mom, this is cute. Can I see it, Jackson? What does it look like at the bottom?
That work?
Look what Malia got. That smells good. What does it look like at the bottom? Does that feel good? Yeah, I got something. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
put
put
it
all that
behind your
stuff back
shirt,
in. Malia got that.
Whoa, that's so
Ah,
Oh,
Is
can I
that-
put mine
Is that
back in
nice?
sock?
Yeah.
Your back scratcher?
yeah.
Where's mine?
Okay, I see it. My back.
When you can't reach a spot.
I'm just
Yeah.
gonna put all the stuff back in, and I'm might keep on doing
How
the
did you
words.
guys put it all in? I can't even fit it back
Hey, I
in.
got that same thing.
Your mom is
Hey, Jenna, look.
the master packer.
Did you see that Story Cubes game? I thought that looked fun for our family.
I got my own brush.
It's a game where you tell a story with the cubes.
Oh, that's cool. Molly, I got my own Mom, you like it? Molly, I got
Yeah,
my own
it's
brush.
cute.
Same.
It'd probably look better if you put it
What
kind of
do your
underneath
fake
your hair
nails
a
look
little
like? I did.
Look.
Oh.
Did I get you one of those, Madeline?
What do your fake nails look like, Jenna? Mom, is this mine?
Yes. I thought
Look
you'd
at
like some
that.
cars.
Got some cars.
You like
I'll
cars?
put this in the freezer.
Okay, go put it in the freezer.
Does that look better, Mom?